Let's start. Okay, good afternoon, dear students. Yes, today is Monday, November 11, 2024. Today we are going to start the past tense and the natural disasters. Yes, and now we are going to review for the regular and irregular verbs. Do you remember that for the regular verbs is only to add ed? No, for example, play, played, danced, danced, look, looked, right? This is the regular verb. An irregular verb, no? For the last class, let's practice it about for the irregular verb is only to change and you pass in another form. For example, run, no? Ran, read, read, z, zo. Okay, this is another verbs, but in the photocopy we have these verbs. In irregular verb, no, remember you change in another forms. For example, take, make, be, live, go. Another become, write, begin, take, and eat. It's irregular verb. Son verbos irregulares. In this verb, change in another form, que cambia en otra forma, right? Become, tenemos became, write, wrote, begin, began, take, took, eat, ate. In another part, oh, we have the take that's similar, right? Make, made, be. We have for the two possibility, was and were, lived, left, go, went, right? Become in Spanish es como empezar, right? Montar, began, ya iniciar algo, take, tomar, ¿no? Take a photos, eat, ¿no? Comer, consumir, take, ¿no? Igual take, tomar, make, hacer, be, ¿no? Ser o estar, live, dejar, and go, ir, ¿no? Son verbos irregulares, ¿no? Que cambian en su otra forma. Eso sí tienen que memorizarlo. Estos verbos sí son muy usables en la continuación de nuestra práctica, ¿no? Entonces, esta parte sí ya lo tenemos en la clase pasada, es un need to review. Yes? Okay, let's continue. In regular verbs, yes, is all of verb you add ed, no? Talk, miss, dance, watch, practice, visit, clean, work, climb, and want, no? In the past, visited, climbed, worked, climbed, wanted, talked, missed, danced, watched, practiced, no? Practice. Yes, we have for a three pronunciation, ¿no? Con I, T, con it o con D, ¿no? Tiene diferente pronunciación que también se reforzó, dimos la clase pasada, in the last class. Yes, okay. This paper, in the copy, tenemos una copia, vamos en esta parte, dice number 6. Si tienen su copia, vamos en esta parte, number 6. Yes, dice, look at the headlines from yesterday paper and write sentences with a simple past, no? This sentence, for example, no? Scientists discovered new planet. Wow, yes, but I'm talking the past. Quiero hablarlo, describirlo, pero en pasado. Okay, discover es descubrir. Is this verb, este verbo que le voy a poner en cuadrado, this verb es un regular verb. This verb arrive es un irregular verb. This come is the same, ¿no? Irregular verb. Okay. Dice, ¿no? This information you change in the past, ¿no? This information you change from yesterday. For example, ¿no? Scientists discover new planet. Ok, yo sé que discover es un regular, ¿no? Y arrive es un irregular y come es un irregular. Ahí pueden ponerle un box, un cuadro y ponle regular, irregular, irregular, ¿no? Irregular es I, ya. Con tu red, ¿no? O con tu highlighter, resaltador. ¿No? Dice scientists discovered new planet, ¿no? Porque es un regular, yo only add ed at the verb, agrego ed al verbo, y este como ejemplo, ¿no? Scientists, yes. Let's continue in another part. Sailor arrived home. John Sailor arrive. In the past es un arrive es un irregular. Yes, yo diría John Sailor. Sailor is marinero. John Sailor arrive. Arrive es llegado. This verb is the regular verb. And this verb only to add ed. Arrive. I'm sorry, arrived home. Arrived home. This part, regular. Say sorry, yes, it's regular. And come. Lots children come home. Lots children come home. Come. This is the irregular verb. Lots children came home. Come es venir, no venir, veniendo. Came es in the past, es su pasado. Came. Yes. Scientists discovered new planet. John Sawyer arrived home. Lost children came home. And another letter D, letter F, E, and F, no? Say 19 years old man walks 20 kilometers to find his dog. 700 million people watch World Cup finally. New ship sail into Barcelona. Okay. And I say these verbs walk, watch, and sail is regular verb. Okay. You have, you write, you change in the past. These sentences, these informations in the past. Yes. And letter D is Jesús. Yes. Te voy a dar tiempo, 2 minutes or 1 minute to change in the past form. Letter E is Fernando. And letter F is Christian. Christian. Yes. Please, you have 2 minutes to write or 1 minute to write the sentences. If you finish, please you tell me the information. Do you understand me? ¿Me entendieron? Yes. Jesús, Fernando, and Cristian?
Sí, Miss.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Fernando? Yeah, yes, thank you. Christian, it's okay. Yeah, Lenin is recently to connect for the class. Yes, good afternoon, Lenin. Yes, it's okay. Please, Jesus, can you tell me your sentences? Oh, not yet, Christian, yeah, it's okay. Jesus, do you finish this letter D, please? 19 years old. 19 years old. The phrase is walk. Walk is regular verb. The regular verb you add ed. How do you say walk in the past? How do you say walk in the past? Ed. Remember the regular verb you only to add ed. Yeah, walk is
Walk.
exactly, yes. Okay, thank you. 19 years old man walked, walked, I'm sorry, walked 20 kilometers to find, oh, to find his dog. Mhm. Yes, to find this dog. Fernando, what do you think in letter E? Fernando,
See?
yes. Can you read please the activity E?
700
Mhm.
million people watched World Cup final.
Exactly, good job. The seven, yes, very good. And the next, my friend Christian, can you read the activity F? What do you say in the past simple? New ship, Christian? Oh, you have the problem with your microphone? New ship, sail. Sail is regular verb. No, Christian? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sail is the regular verb. Oh, not yet for the moment. It's okay, no problem, because you can practice. Mhm, mhm, yeah. The phrase sail es navegar. Sail es un verbo regular. Entonces, I remember, ¿no? Regular verb, you only to add ed. Sailed, navegó. New ship sailed into Barcelona. Yes. Mhm. No problem, Christian. It's okay. I can practice the regular verb more. Okay. Do you have the question in this part? Please, can you copy the activity A, B, C, and D, E, F? Yes. It's okay. Finger up. Do you have the question in this time? Remember that it's only to review. It's is the review is the review for the regular and irregular verb. Mhm. It's okay. Okay, finish. Let's continue in another part. Thank you for your finger up. Excellent. Oh, that's in serio. Yes, yes. Oh, 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 oh. Se bajó. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, okay. Let's continue en la siguiente parte, chicos. Vamos entonces. Let's continue. Thank you so much for you stay here. Listo, continue. Yes, okay. Let's continue. Okay, in this part is your homework 1. Es tu tarea 1, ¿sí? En la number 7, en esta parte, ¿no? Recuerden que esa es la primera copia que se está pegando en tu cuaderno, la activity 6 and 7. Yes, the number 7 is look at the picture and the marks week. Complete the text with the affirmative or negative simple past 4 on the verb in the box. We have Marta. We have arrive, be, eat, have, like, played, rained, stay, think, want. Teacher, but this verb is no, we have to explain the change in the irregular or regular verb. Arrive, como les indicaba, es llegar. Igual les voy a mandar, ¿no? I'm sent the list, la lista que van a copiar en la notebook, en su cuaderno, para que puedan realizar esa actividad, ¿no? Arrive, be, de cero está, use 2 times, se usa 2 veces, eat, ate, have, had, like, es regular, play regular, rain también regular, stay regular, think es irregular, think in the past es thought, thought. Have irregular, had, I'm sorry, had. Want es un regular, normal agregas los regulares ed. Arrive también es un regular, be sí, ¿no? Be is, was o were. Entonces dice Marta, a ver, Marta. La A, ver, Martha and A or her English test on Monday. Okay. You look at the Monday. We have Monday. Yes. We say her test. O sea, tomó su, tuvieron examen. No tuvo un examen on Monday. Entonces ahí vemos que tiene examen Monday, vemos una imagen que está con un examen, entonces sí estaría realizando. Diría entonces, Martha had an A and her exam test on Monday, ¿no? Marta tuvo un A en su examen del el lunes. The teacher, be very happy about it. The teacher, maybe we have que estuvo, ¿no? Remember that estuvo o fue es was. Teacher was. Es del verbo be. Recuerde que el be puedes usar 2 times, 2 veces. Puede ser 2 veces was, 2 veces were. Recuerden que was es singular y were es plural. Ok, entonces the teacher was very happy about it. On Tuesday, you look at the Tuesday. You look at the Tuesday. Oh. On the Tuesday, we have these students. The test on Tuesday. Martha for a math test. The test was on Wednesday and it was very difficult, but her friends, it was easy. Martha for math exam test, but the test, Martha, no? Maybe we have to study or to want. Ver, Martha test. Bueno, aquí está preparándose, ¿no? Preparándose para su examen en Tuesday. Study, maybe in the library. And the test was on Wednesday and it was very difficult. Maybe we have Martha liked for a math text, but the test was on Wednesday. It was very difficult, but her friends were, it was easy. It was easy. But her friends didn't. But maybe with positive and negative. Remember in the negative forms, we have the didn't. Didn't, do you remember? Didn't and the verb forms, verbo formal, ¿no? Puede ser wasn't, weren't también. En didn't, si usas un verbo, por ejemplo, verbo eat, que es comer, el pasado es ate, ¿no? Ate. En este caso, si yo pongo En forma negativa diría didn't eat, en ese caso, ¿no? Si fuera negación. Si es positivo, en negación, digo en positivo, en pasado, simple sería ate. Pero en este caso, en las sentences, dice, it was very difficult, ¿no? Que fue difícil. But her friends, pero sus amigos, it was easy, ¿no? Ellos dicen, hablan, o piensan, puede ser, ¿no? Piensan que fue fácil. Pero en este caso, entonces sus amigos, como están pensando, el pasado de pensar es thought. Thought. But her friends thought it was easy on the same day. Martha cousined he to read. Stay and her read, yeah. Maybe we have to Martha's cousins arrived, llegó, arrived, oh, arrived, and he to read, maybe to read, leer. Maybe we have he want to soccer with Martha. Maybe we have to he to read and he soccer with Martha. Maybe we have to he played. He want to read. No. Yeah. Martha's cousin arrived, llegó, and maybe we have her friends. He to read and he played soccer with Martha. It was fun. Maybe we have to his to read people. Maybe we have to he like to read. He wanted. Maybe we have to read he cousin arrived and he didn't like to read and he played to play soccer with that. Rain es lluvioso. No puede ser rain, stay, quedarse. Think, want. Maybe we have he didn't want to read. Maybe no, he didn't want to read. He played soccer with Martha and it was fun. Se divirtieron. On Thursday, oh, but maybe on Wednesday, we have the Marta, we have to receive the throw the ball. Maybe, but it wasn't. Puede que no fue divertido en ese momento. Maybe we have, it wasn't fun. On Thursday, okay, let's continue on Thursday. And Friday, you try to complete for the homework. I, J, K, and L. We had for the 4 options. Maybe we have the positive or the negative forms, and you try to complete for these verbs in the box. This is the part one homework, the first homework. Es la primera parte de la tarea, la parte de I, J, K, and L. Let's continue. Igual, I have the screenshot. Voy a tomarle captura en esta parte para que también ustedes lo tengan en la copia. Pueden copiar hasta aquí. Y si ya lo han copiado, hasta aquí. Pueden usar el vocabulario. Yes. The vocabulary arrive, this is the verbs. No, arrive. Be, no, because we have the two times. Was, it wasn't. Eat, have. Had también está usado. Like, también play, rain, stay. ¿No? Pueden revisarlo. Vamos in the next. En la siguiente parte, in the next part, is the vocabulary. No? Nature's disaster. Nature's disaster is the disaster. Now we have for the option 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, dice, number 1, match the picture 1 to 6 with the words in the box. Mark and cross next to the words that are not in the pictures. In the pictures. Tenemos drought, ear quiet, fame, fire, flood, hurricanes, landslide, tornado, tsunami, and volcanic eruptions. Volunteers, what do you think? Drought. Oh, yes, we have for the new vocabulary. And look at the pictures. What is the meaning for this activity? Yes, for example, we have, yeah, let's share the Google. Yes, you look that. Yes, drought. Drought son grietas. You throw, maybe in the desert, maybe for the city move a lot, really hard. We have the drought. Drought in Spanish is grietas. In the next is ear quiet. Ear quiet is for maybe, no, we have to the move really hard, como en Spanish say terremoto. Fame, maybe the fame, this is the fame pronunciation, fame, and the fame, maybe we have to, the people have sick of have the accident, maybe we have to the ills, maybe here, no, maybe here, fame. No, maybe here we have done to the people don't live in the house. We live in another part. Flutes. No, you look at the picture. Flute is maybe the in this activity. Flutes is you can see in the Spain. In España, we have a lot of rainy. Yes, we have in the last week, la semana pasada, we have for these situations, the flood in Spain, in España. Maybe we have in the China, in the Asia countries, no, in the South Korea, or in Japan, we have these floods. In Spanish, say inundación. Landslide. Landslide is to derrumbe for the mountain, no? Maybe we have for this. The rock is thrown out, no? Thrown down in the street, in the road, in la carretera. This is the landslide. Yes, and volcano erupt, no? Maybe we have this picture. Maybe the situation in these places, in the Arequipa, we have the volcano, but there's no eruption. And another country, maybe we have this eruption. Okay, and then let's continue for this vocabulary number 2. Yes, the natural disaster. What do you think in la number 1? Volunteers?
Tornado.
Oh, number 1 is
Tornado.
drought. Number 1 is
Drought?
tornado. Yeah. Number 1 is tornado, exactly. In Spanish, tornado, no? Yes, thank you. Number 2, in the picture number 2. Volunteers? Sorry, yes, number 1, yes. Yes, thank you, Christian. Number 2. Yes, turn on your microphone.
No, number 2 is volcanic eruption.
Yes, volcanic eruptions. Number 3. We have that earth. Yes, Christian.
Number 3 is landslide.
Yes, landslide. Yeah, yes, thank you. Number 4, another volunteer.
Flood.
Flood, yes, of course. Flood, flood, no, flood. Inundación, yeah. Number 5,
Draw.
drought. And number 6, oh, yes, number 6 is the hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane es los huracanes. You have a lot of wind. No? Maybe the palmeras is flow. Right? Okay, drove, listen and repeat in the house, the vocabulary. Yes? Okay. Yes, of course. Listen, please.
Unit 4, Track 43, Activity 2. Drought,
Drought, please, Christian.
earthquake,
Earthquake.
famine,
Famine.
fire,
Fire.
floods,
Floods.
hurricane,
Hurricane.
landslide,
Landslide.
tornado,
Tornado.
tsunami,
Tsunami.
volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption. Yes. Okay, this is the really some vocabulary about for the natural disaster. Yes. Today, let's practice the natural disaster for the topic, and this is some vocabularies about for this time for the class. Yes. And then let's continue, listen and repeat. Yes, you practice in the house, no? Drought, earthquake, fame, fire, floods, hurricane, landslide, tornado, tsunami, and volcanic eruptions. Yes, finally for the class, I try to send these pronunciations and you practice in the house. Do you have the question for this time? Consulta duda en esta parte? Yes, no? But this picture is really common to have in another countries. In Peru, is too common to see this activity, the natural disaster, the students? Yes or no? Maybe I think yes. And the number 4, in the jungle, in la selva, we have a lot of rainy. We have a lot of floods. But in another country, maybe we have, that is different, not a tornado. So let's continue in another part, number 3. Do you have questions? ¿Alguna consulta, duda en esta parte, chicos? Yes. Continuamos entonces en la siguiente parte. Recuerden que en esta parte del vocabulario van a escribir en el cuaderno su significado de cada uno, ¿no? Drown, earthquake, fame. Yes. Igual se les va a enviar la clase que estamos realizando. Let's continue in number 3. Nos queda un minuto. Van a ingresar de nuevo, por favor, con el mismo link que está enviado del WhatsApp. Yes. Ingresamos